Feeling overwhelmed by inventory chaos? You're not alone. Many small business owners find managing inventory across multiple channels feels like a full-time job. But there's a way out of this chaos. Lost orders and manual spreadsheets are a thing of the past. Imagine a world where your inventory is organized, efficient, and easy to manage. Let's explore how to make this a reality. Introducing Zoho Inventory, your smart, cloud-based solution. It's designed to simplify your life and grow your business with efficient inventory management. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to seamless operations. Manage orders, stock, and shipments seamlessly across all sales channels. Whether it's Shopify, Amazon, or eBay, Zoho Inventory integrates them all into one easy-to-use platform. Sync sales from platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and eBay into one place. Print shipping labels and track packages with just a few clicks. It's all about making your life easier. Barcode scanning, batch tracking, and drop shipping are all built-in features. These tools help you streamline operations and focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Zoho Inventory is mobile-friendly, allowing you to manage inventory anywhere. Check stock levels and ship orders directly from your phone. Stay connected and in control even when you're on the move. Imagine having the power to manage your inventory from the palm of your hand. With Zoho Inventory, you're always just a tap away from your business operations. Haya Solutions specializes in implementing Zoho Inventory for Canadian and US businesses. We offer full setup, integration, support, and training. Focus on growing your business while we handle the technicalities. With 5-star reviews and partnerships with top platforms, you're in good hands. Hundreds of small businesses have benefited from our services. Join them and experience the difference. Let's recap. Zoho Inventory simplifies your operations, and Haya Solutions ensures a smooth implementation. By choosing us, you're choosing efficiency and growth. Together, we can transform your business. Book your free consultation with Haya Solutions today and let Zoho Inventory do the heavy lifting. Take the first step towards a more organized and successful business. We're here to help you every step of the way.